friends, welcome to our channel Travel Junkie. In today's video, we will be taking you on a tour to a resort which is quite far from Hyderabad city, and the resort name is the Hidden Castle. For this resort, you have to go from Shamirpet area. And while going, you can see the beautiful Shamirpet lake. So here comes the lake. From Shamirpet lake, the Hidden Castle is about 60 kilometers away. And on ORR of Hyderabad, Shamirpet comes on the exit number 7. And after going straight on the highway, you need to take the left turn like we have taken just now. And there will be a board also which will show you the direction sign to the castle. We need to drive for 2 kilometers on this road, and you can see a lot of trees on both sides and the flower plantations as well. The flowers with different colors. See the flowers, beautiful. Now, after covering around 2 kilometers as we said earlier, we need to take the right turn. And here comes the turn. So you can see the mud road, and we have to drive around 500 meters from here. Since the road is muddy, it is a bit bumpy as well, so drive slowly. So now we can see the gate here. Your bookings are going to be checked here, and you can either book a day tour package where you will be accessing the adventure park, or you can choose a stay package. We have booked a stay package, and we are finally entering the castle. But before proceeding further, request you viewers to subscribe to our channel and also hit the notification icon. The road is made of stone, which will give you the feel of a castle, and you can see the greenery and plantation around. This is the parking area where we have to park our vehicle. We have reached now the reception office, and this is the reception office, and just see the furniture. They have kept it in a traditional style, and it's quite good, and room is quite huge. So here also your booking information is checked, and you will be given the meal tokens, which includes your lunch, evening snacks, dinner, and the breakfast for the next day. As we have booked for the stay package, it costs around 6,000 to 7,000 for 2 adults, and a kid less than 10 years is also included. So now we have to walk a bit to reach the castle, and here comes the castle after crossing this bridge. They had also provided that small water body to give you a fort-like look. Nice to see such a huge size castle. It's more or less like a European castle, and I'm very excited. So let's go in and check in to our room quickly. In this room, this is a beautiful sculpture and you are offered the welcome drinks here. Now let's go and check out the rooms. It's quite dark here, and you can see the flags of Harry Potter movies. Friends, we have booked the heritage room, and to be honest, I got a spooky feeling taking you to the old age times. The door design was also a bit different, and in the room we have been given a queen size bed and a single bed. The ceilings are quite high and with lights and controlled by dangling threads, AC, a wardrobe, a dressing table, a dining table with chairs and center table as well. They have also provided a small fridge. A caution note, friends, you may not get the mobile network signal inside the rooms, so keep that in mind. But near the windows you may catch 1 or 2 bars. This is a dressing area and a window through which you can see the greenery all around. And this is the bath section with all the toiletries available. So friends, that was the room tour and the end of our first part of the hidden castle video. We will explore in this palace in the next part of the video, and we will show you the day tour activities as well. So bye bye for now. Sayonara.